What do you want to do in your face? What do you want to do with your life? Anong gusto mo mangyari, Naya? Oh my God, yung bed magkakaroon ng color. Oh, yung damit mo, may mancha na. Oh, see? Oh, tas buburahin. Oh, 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 oh. Hindi mo kontento. Sige pa, lagyan mo pa. Di pa tapos?
Not yet.
Not yet? Oh, magmi-mirror pa. Ano yan? Hindi yan mirror. What's that? Oh.
Makeup.
Makeup? Oh, saan yan? Oh, putang yan. Why you want makeup? What? See? Oh, see? Oh, maganda ba? You're not looking at the mirror eh. Oh. Ay, just naiyakin.
Help me.
Help you? I put you?
How about the water?